Another major story we're following tonight, a big development in the mystery surrounding a young Western New York woman who was found dead in a garbage tote in Buffalo. A new autopsy claims Amanda Winkowski's death was no accident.
And this is what her family has believed all along. News 4's George Rickert broke the news on WIBB.com earlier today, and he joins us now with the very latest. George?
Well, this is the second autopsy, the one that a California pathologist has been working on for nearly 2 years, and it goes against what 4 Erie County medical examiners signed off on.
Cause of death: manual strangulation associated with blunt force injuries.
It's the second opinion that the family of Amanda Winkowski has been waiting almost 3 years for. After the 20-year-old was found dead in a garbage tote, the Erie County Medical Examiner's Office ruled the cause of death to be accidental drug overdose. So the family hired California pathologist Sylvia Comparini to take a second look. Among other things, she points to the hemorrhages on Amanda's neck to conclude the manner of death in this case is not self-inflicted, accidental, natural, or undetermined. It is homicidal.
As much as I'm ecstatic, I'm so excited that this came out right now, that finally it said that this is what happened, but we knew. I mean, how could you not know?
The report is detailed. It shows that somebody beat the tar out of Amanda Winkowski.
She didn't say that.
News 4's Dr. Peter Ostro is a pathologist himself. He says it's not unusual for different medical examiners to have different opinions from the same observations. He would still need to see more about those marks on the neck. I'm
very surprised that the second pathologist did not describe what she saw under the microscope to bolster her conclusions about what the lesions were.
I never hurt your daughter.
Antoine Garner may have been the last one to see Winkowski alive. Her body was found across from his house on Spring Street. He insists he didn't kill her, but he is now in jail accused of attempting to strangle a different woman 2 months ago.
Do you suspect he killed your daughter?
I don't know. I don't know.
Amanda's family will now formally ask the county medical examiner to take another look. As for the DA, Frank Sedita says he does not comment on any ongoing investigation until someone is charged. Reporting live, George Rickert, News 4 at 5.